today I'm HASKAP picking. Yeah! Check out these buttes. My goodness. This bush is full. Wow. Start picking. Ooh, jackpot, baby. Okay, now that I'm home. Hi, Hurley. I've got some cleaning to do. Let's get to it.
My final big bowl of HASKAPs to clean. And look at that. My hands are all red and gooey and sticky. But this is the final bowl where it's nice and clean from the stems and leaves. I'll be making some ice cream, of course, as I usually do every year. And the remainder of my HASKAPs, I'm thinking this year I should be putting them in the blender and make a puree. And from there, put that in the freeze dryer. I'd love to try out HASKAP powder. Fruit powders are amazing. You can put that into yogurts and whipped cream, cakes, you name it. You can bake it. Mm-mm. Okay, you're gonna keep pumping until you reach to that 10 right there, and then you're good. I can't wait to try this out. Right on. If you ever run out of electricity, you do it by hand and it works wonders. I've got a little problem. Yeah. Took out the trash and lo and behold, Chippy is in the house. Well, in the breezeway. So I've set up some nuts, have his little snack, and he can go. Take your nuts and go, Chippy. Well, hi there, little buddy. Peekaboo. She. Hi. Hi. Sorry, buddy. We still have that chipmunk. So as soon as that chipmunk gets out of the hole, I've got some nuts in the corner there inside that container. And when he gets out, I'll push this piece of wood so that it'll cover over the hole that I have. So I can take him out and go outside and let him free. Okay, Chippy. No vacancy. Time to go home. Come on. Until next time, on Tucked Away.